Today we're going to be talking about a high-frequency vertical launch connector for printed circuit boards. My name is Bob Griffin. I'm Regional Sales Manager at Southwest Microwave, and with me I have...
And I'm Dusty Levitt, another Regional Sales Manager, Southwest Microwave.
I would like to start by saying that as great as our end launch connectors perform, which was discussed in a previous video, there's one application that they just can't address, and that is when there's a need to get a high-frequency connector on the interior surface of a printed circuit board. Now, with the popularity and the performance of our end launch connectors, we were asked if we could develop a vertical launch connector that can be placed anywhere on the board and still provide the same type of performance as our end launch connectors do. Now, the challenge that this presented was we needed to find a way to politely ask the microwave signal to come off the connector on a 90-degree turn onto the printed circuit board and at a minimal amount of loss. The Southwest team took up the challenge and, following our standard connector design rules, designed a two-hole flange compression mount vertical connector on the printed circuit board in a 40, 67, and 110 gigahertz configurations that transition into a microstrip or a grounded coplanar geometry with performance that's equal to the end launch connector. Now, to help some of this performance out, there was a wide mouse hole incorporated on the bottom of the flange that allows the high frequency trace to smoothly transition down to the signal pad on the board. The contact on the connector is slightly proud of the bottom of the flange, and when it is attached to the connector, it engages with the signal pad on the board and provides a nice smooth transition. Now, just as with our end launch connectors, the vertical launch connector's performance depends on the board launch design. Now, Dusty, can you elaborate on some more features and benefits for the connector?
Thank you, Bob. There is one point I would like to emphasize, and that is that our vertical launch connectors are not suitable for strip line circuit launch. But as Bob mentioned, they are suitable for microstrip and grounded coplanar launches. The performance of the vertical launch connector is only as good as its transition onto the circuit board. For this reason, Southwest offers optimized, simulated launch designs for a variety of board materials. If your particular board launch is not in our library, we can typically add it in a couple of days. For those who prefer to simulate their own launch designs, we offer HFSS 3D encrypted models of our connectors. For mechanical fit, we offer 3D models in STEP and other file formats. Our vertical launch connectors come with 3 sets of screws of different lengths to accommodate a range of board thicknesses. Our vertical launch connectors are robust, removable, and reusable. We encourage you to visit our website at southwestmicrowave.com to see the unparalleled performance of our connectors. Thank you.